Alright guys, today we're making some okra with saltfish.
Yeah, I got this here. Chips, wash and chips. And I'm not putting in any seasoning. And this is my way of doing it. And you guys stay tuned for watching me how I'm cooking this okra, because this thing got a little technique in cooking.
Technique, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not too many people know how to cook okra and saltfish. So I teach y'all how to cook okra and saltfish.
Interesting.
Yeah. So over here, you cut out the stove.
Yeah.
You can put the camera
Okay.
over
So what are we
this
making
gal
here?
cut off the stove here. So I'm gonna put in some the thing hot up here.
Okay, you can have that now. You put in a big pepper. Did you need to put all that pepper?
No, not really. Where does that come from? Guys, I got pepper ready, but look at this here. Alright, we're gonna wait for this to get a little hot and be back.
The okra.
Yeah. Alright folks, so
Rana नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं ओ नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं ओ नजरिया.
So we basically doing fry okra with saltfish.
Fry okra and saltfish?
Yeah, but I don't want my okra slimy, so that's why we trying to bun it up there. We toasting it up. So we're gonna let it cook up a little more. So on the okra we gonna throw a little black pepper. Black pepper. Not too much salt, just lightly salted because it's saltfish we're gonna put in there. Pepper seed in there. My pepper seed. I need some more pepper seed. I dropped some pepper seed in it. Some pepper flakes. So we're gonna fry this up nice. I don't want to stir it up too much, man. Yeah, fried snow. So yeah, I know the Indians don't like
It
it.
is going to be slimy regardless.
Indians
right?
like it slimy, and the Africans and the Jamaicans. But Guyanese got a different way in cooking it, right? So this is garlic powder. Where's the onion powder then? We got some onion powder that we're gonna put into. Gonna flavor it up nicely. One last stir, and that should proceed. Alright. You can see that slime down there. Yeah, somebody was asking, what's up with the slime? That's the slime and the thing that they want, you know? But for us, Guyanese and training people, we don't like too much slime.
You gotta slime up to climb up.
Yep.
Gotta slime up to climb up.
Some of us chip the okra, put it outside in the sun to dry out before we cook it, you know? Back in the country. Okay. Alright. Alright guys, we're gonna let this cook up and the okra cook up. Alright guys, so this okra, you can see it toasted up nice. Beautiful. No slime, none of that kind of stuff. The way the Caribbean people like it. The Trinity, Guyanese, Barbadians, Surinamis. Fry okra. I love it slimy too, but you can see our saltfish, two saltfish there. So this is coming right in here. I'll drop a little bit of oil in there. Not much. So check this out.
Wow, that's good.
You can't get a better one than this. Trust me. Try it out. Taste it. This is the best. So we're gonna let it cook for another 5 minutes.
Very colorful.
Yeah. I actually put two beef steak tomatoes in here. Check it out. Look.
Check it out.
So we're gonna cook this here for another 5 minutes and be
What
back.
you making today?
Yeah guys, so we continuing the video. So we got the okra done there with saltfish. We got the spinach over here. We gotta bun this up a little bit. So we got onion and the garlic and pepper in here. Tune guys, tune. So we got our spinach in here. Baby, you know it's burning up?
Huh?
You know it's burning up a little bit?
Uh-huh.
Burn up.
Yeah.
Guys, when we turn up, the heat can't turn down, the heat all the way down.
What does that mean?
I don't know. Check this out, check this out. So this is the same pan I fried the saltfish inside. I didn't wash it or anything. So I'll let it cook for... I like my spinach a little raw, so I like to taste the spinach.
So we're just gonna saute it.
Yeah.
That's it.
And in the next few minutes, this spinach should be done for me. You guys can cook it longer. If you want, I'll add some salt. Pepper flakes. I'll put in some parsley, some more greenery, and black pepper. So look at that spinach. Looks good, huh? Sorry guys, there you got the fried okra with saltfish, spinach. They're all done. And guess what? We got some dog food going. We baked some chicken for the dog food. We're gonna mix it up in there. Yeah. So we also cooked for the puppies. Hey, you can see our island a little bit.
It's messy.
It's kind of messy, but all this is for the puppy. It's all seasoning and bake. But this is for my puppy. Anyway, guys.
Puppy food.
Yeah, puppy food. If you guys didn't subscribe to the channel, please do so. One love. Alright, guys. I think this is done. So we got okra, saltfish, and spinach, and dog food. Babe?
Yeah?
So, spinach be cooking for just a few minutes. I think 10 minutes. You can cook yours more. Alright guys, if you didn't subscribe to the channel, please do so. One love. Peace out.